Hi everybody, George Chamberlin here watching your dollars on a Thursday morning. A little wet out there today. This is the 24th of January. Big news this morning, of course. It came down last night, but it's impacting the stock market today, is the news from Apple. When you look at just the raw numbers, if you were in a vacuum and just looked at the raw numbers, you'd be kind of overwhelmed by this company. They reported record revenues of $545 billion last quarter. That's in a 3-month period. In the fourth quarter, they had profits of more than $13 billion. Apple sold in just a 3-month period 47.8 million iPhones. A year ago, the same period, they sold 37 million. They sold almost 23 million iPads in the 3-month period, compared to a little bit over 15 million in the same period a year ago. They sold a few less Mac computers during the quarter than they did in the same quarter a year ago. And they've got more than $40 billion in cash and short-term securities on the books. Doesn't sound like a company that's struggling, does it? Well, the stock of Apple is down more than 10% this morning, down to $460 a share. That's a loss of $54 a share on the day. And the reason for that is they have this conference call after a company puts out a report like this, and the chief financial officer of the company offered some guidance on what the company is likely to be doing during the 3-month period, the quarter that we're in right now. It came in a little bit below what some of the experts out there were looking for, and as a result, the stock is way down. Apple had been well above $700 a share. Now we're at $460 a share roughly right now. It's really fallen off in here. When will it become a good buy? Only time will tell on there. There is an old expression on Wall Street: never try to catch a falling knife. Kind of wait for it to bounce, land, pick it up then, and that could still be a ways off. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.